Mabuhay, ladies and gentlemen. My attire is inspired by the Filipino tradition makulay or colorful. This costume made of used plastic bags, cloth, clay, fox flowers, and bottle caps showcases our Filipino traits of expressing a colorful and a happy life despite the scarcity in resources. So therefore, my attire may seem cheap, ordinary, or simple, yet the hard work, love, and laughter of my classmates and class advisors while making this is priceless and momentous. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Toto Landivilio, proudly presenting the Radiant Phoenix, saying, sa eco-fashion, walang pangit, walang simple, walang maliit, kasi according to the Met, recycling takes a little effort on your part but makes a big difference to the world. So I join you all. Recycle today for a better tomorrow. And I thank you.